was going over the far-famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol and I then produced my rapier, saying stand and deliver, for he were a bold deceiver. Mushering dum-a-doo-dum-a-da, whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I counted out my money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I took it home to Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would deceive me, but the devil take the women, for they never can be easy. Mushering dum-a-doo-dum-a-da, whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went up to my chamber, all for to take a slumber. I dreamt of gold and jewels, and for sure it was no wonder. But Jenny drew me chargers and she filled them up with water, then sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Mushering dum-a-doo-dum-a-da, whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Mushering dum-a-doo